Alright, we are going to change the fog light now. Let me show you first. The fog light is a scene none. Do you see the color of the light will be like this? Okay, it will gradually get brighter. You see? Now we are going to change the light bulb. Let's take out a lot. Okay, there should be plenty in the car because it's a signal. There might be some strange bulbs too. Here it is. Once we find it, let's just take it out. It's easier than trying to pry it off. Because this side isn't too much, you can see it. If you look at the lamb meat, you can see this side isn't too much, but that side you can't see. That side is blocked by the water tank. If you remove it, you'll find the water tank. The easiest way is to take off the bumper, but I think removing the bumper is better. Here, it's easiest to get the money out, so we can reach in easily. We've been doing this for about a year, right? Yes, I've been spraying it continuously. Oh, I've been using this for a long time, and I've sprayed a lot of cars too. I think I spray for regular customers. Yes, you can see it's a bit stiff, so I spray it. You see this? You see the light, right? Now if we take the light bulb out, it will be done. Just cut it out, okay? But over there, you can't see it, can you? Over there, did it turn on? It's stuck to the water tank. If we reach in too much, it will get stuck in the water, and it will be hard to reach, you see? Now let's take out the light and try the light. I'm going to fix the corner light, you know, the corner light bulb. The socket is broken. It happens to every car as it ages. I need to use 8 new glue, as the guy said. The light bulb doesn't look good, but it's super bright. Look at the one my brother installed. Can you see? I'll zoom in for you. It's really bright. It's bright. Can you see it? It's done. I've changed the fog light and the dim light, and I've also changed the turn signal. It's really bright. If you put it in the box or turn it, it will look nice. Let me show you again. The automatic windows on the passenger side and the rear side, this one is for the rear right. Do you see it's going down automatically? See, if you want it to stop going down automatically, press and hold, then release. Do you see you can hold it down and release? Or if it's going up automatically, just pull it down. If you want it to go down automatically, press again. Do you see? If you don't want it to go down automatically, you can press it. Now, let me show you from the driver's side. You can press the button from the driver's side. I'll press it here. Okay? Look, there's no one behind. See? Down. Right? See? Okay? Up now. Okay, you can control the windows from the driver's side. You can operate all of them, including that one over there. This one has 3 windows, but it doesn't have any.